Yeah, so I'm going to just got to get set up here. So I've got that one, get my open broadcast set up, and I'm just getting my windows balanced out here so I don't get that yeah, open broadcaster software. It's obsproject.com. No, yeah, now Dell, if you click on, if you haven't done so already, click on that YouTube link that I dropped in there. Okay, and it's, you know, it'll open in a different window, and that's me. I'm now streaming. I'm live streaming just like Blab or Periscope, but I'm doing it via YouTube. Yep, right. So that's me on YouTube. Now there's going to be a time lag, so I would suggest that anybody watching, mute me. Anybody that's watching the YouTube, mute me on the Blab. Um, well, the YouTube's going to be in sync with what I'm doing. Okay, so as far as the audio, and this would and also because there is a lag, isn't there? Yeah, yeah, and I assume there would be. And also, when I set this up, it's a lot different when you're just doing it one-on-one than if you're doing it with a group of people. Because if not everybody's watching on the YouTube, I could mute myself here, but then the people here that's not watching the YouTube wouldn't hear me and such, and otherwise. But anyway, so yeah, yeah, just like that, right? Now I'm going to go over and I'm going to screen share. Okay, and I'm going to screen share the open broadcast screen over here. So over on this side, I click present to everyone. And now instead of you seeing me in my YouTube channel, you're seeing one of my monitors. All right. You're seeing the open broadcaster software over there. And there you go. And so what I'm going to do now is if I'm going to change this to properties. I'm going to change it to monitor 3. Let me just see something here. I just have to hit preview. Okay, stop the preview. Okay, I don't want monitor 3, then I want monitor 1. Let me see. There we go. So now I am, again, the video lag, the video is like 5 seconds behind, but right there, that's Notepad. You know, so I'm going to come over here, you know, I type in it. This is Notepad. And you'll see it here. On YouTube, you'll see it the same time you see me type. Myself, it's never been to. Let me see, that is, I guess, Evan. Yeah. And so what I'm doing is, so I'm sharing my screen with Notepad on it. And now I'm going to blow up the Notepad. So it's for the whole window. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to enable the webcam. I'm going to stop the preview. All right. As soon as it stops here. Now I'm going to turn on, the webcam's enabled. Now I'm going to hit preview stream again. Let me stop that. I'm actually going to have to drop, I think it doesn't like the fact that I'm using this cam. So I'm going to drop out of the Blab seat. So those of you that are, anyway, you'll still be able to hear me on the YouTube video. I'm going to drop out of here. Okay. All right, so now on the YouTube, you'll notice that I'm down there in the corner, and you're seeing my notepad, but at the same time you can see me. And I can hit Control and Alt and arrow keys, and I can choose to be in the upper left corner. I can be in the bottom left corner. I can be in the bottom right corner. I can be in the upper right corner. All right, so I can choose where I am. And if I look at it on the position and size, I can also move to top. I can center horizontally, so I can be in the center if I want to be. So there we go. Now I'm in the center, and now I'm just typing in Notepad. I am typing in Notepad, but you can still see me on the screen. This software, so I'm using Open Broad. I'm actually using a couple different technologies here. I'm using the Open Broadcaster software to capture my stream. Yes, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you. For those of you that are seeing this later, I am transmitting on YouTube, but I'm interacting with someone on Blab, so there's a time delay. Now, I can go over here to this webcam and click Properties, and I can say, you know what, I want to be a little bit bigger in there, so I'm going to say that I want to be in a 4 something by that window, and will update in real time. I don't know if it will actually. Didn't like that. I might have crashed it. We'll see. Oh, there we go. So now you see the window's bigger now, and I can move around where it is. Right. So now the window's a little bigger, and I can even go in here and say Properties. Oh, I want it to be even a little bigger. Whatever. I want it to be this one, say. Now I know that's just going to take a second to update, so I'll just sit here and wait until it updates. There we go. So now you can see me there clearly. If I wanted to be looking more at you, I could move this over here to a different monitor, come here, and I'm going to stop screen sharing just for a moment and change which monitor I share. I'm going to share this monitor. I don't know right now because I'm over. That's on that monitor. That's weird. I want to do the Open Broadcast software. Yeah. Oh, okay. Is this the one I wanted to share? No. Stop that. Profile, untitled scenes. There you go. Share that. Okay, that's strange. That should not be. I think I might have actually broken my. Oh, middle left. I got what I did there. I moved that over. Okay, I got it now. I'm moving. I have 4 windows, and I moved Blab over onto the window I was recording. That would happen. There we go. There we go. Now, there we go. So now I moved myself over here so that I'm looking more at the camera. All right. So I'm looking straight ahead now. But my notepad's still over. So the bottom line is that I can choose whatever. Oh, I don't want to be over there. That's the infinite thing. So I'm going to get rid of that. That's what happens if you put yourself on the infinite window. So you get the idea. It takes a little moving around and getting used to. Now again, with 4 monitors, it's even more complicated than if you had 2. and where things are. What's that? I'm sorry, Del. What did you say? Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this now. But you can do other things too. Actually, before I stop, I'll show you. Add scenes. I can add text, so I can say, "Sub Bob." You know, I say twitter.com/subbob. I'm going to add that. I want it to be really big, so I'm going to say like 96. It's a hyperlink, so I'm going to say I want it to be blue once this responds. And I might have to stop the recording. Add text. I want this is just going to be my Twitter. And it's going to be blue. You have to double click it. That's right. It's a little non-intuitive, but you get it. There we go. And I'm going to have it be pretty big, 96. And I'm just going to say twitter.com/subbob. And now when I start the recording, so now you can see my Twitter link is up there. So you can, this gives you an overlay. And for some reason my webcam completely flopped out, but you can see that I added text there. And you can add a game capture. You can add a video capture device like a webcam, text, a slideshow, images. You can capture an entire monitor, or you can capture a window. And now I'm going to stop that, exit the screen. For the purposes of this Google Hangout, I've been demonstrating how you can use open broadcast software, transmitting it, then sharing a screen and out to a Google Live on-air Hangout. And what I was showing was how you can do a video and video transfer. You can overlay text. You can overlay multiple different inputs into one window. Bob King @SubBob everywhere. If you have any questions, hit me up.